Understanding Spaghetti Tangle, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of an interesting English phrase, spaghetti tangle. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can add flair to your English communication. Let's dive in. The phrase, spaghetti tangle, is a metaphorical expression. It's used to describe a situation, problem, or matter that is extremely complex and confusing, much like a plate of tangled spaghetti. This phrase vividly paints the picture of a scenario where things are so intertwined that it becomes challenging to make sense of them. Interestingly, spaghetti tangle doesn't have a specific origin in literature or history. It's a product of everyday English, born out of a visual resemblance to tangled pasta. In usage, it's often applied to describe complex systems, intricate problems, or even complicated personal situations. For example, trying to understand the city's traffic system is like navigating a spaghetti tangle. To grasp the phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. The legal case became a spaghetti tangle of facts and testimonies. 2. Organizing the event was a spaghetti tangle, with too many conflicting schedules. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts to convey the complexity and confusion of a situation. English is rich with metaphors similar to spaghetti tangle. Some of these include a can of worms, another way to describe a complex, problematic situation. Pandora's box implies a source of endless complications or trouble. Understanding these similar expressions can enrich your vocabulary and comprehension. And that's a wrap on spaghetti tangle. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase with confidence in your conversations and writings. Remember, learning English is a journey filled with fascinating expressions like this one. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.